Looking at page 2, which is your last workbook page for this week. You're using pictographs to solve problems 5 through 9 and showing your work. Take a look at the pictograph first. You should see the title is Favorite Petting Zoo Animals. Down the left side are the animals that they liked: goats, rabbits, llamas, and pigs. And most importantly, you need to see that each hand symbol stands for 6 students. Right? Very important info. So let's take a look. Students voted for their favorite animal in the petting zoo. The pictograph shows the number of students who voted for each animal. Number 5, how many more students voted for pigs than llamas? How many more voted for pigs than llamas? There's pigs, there's llamas. How many more means you're going to do what? Add or subtract. You're comparing the two, so you're going to subtract, actually. Awesome. Now we need to figure out how many kids voted for each. Take a look at the pigs first. Just remember, each hand stands for 6 votes. 6 votes. So let's see. First, let's count how many hands there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hands that voted for pigs. A lot of kids like petting the pigs. So 9 of them. But each hand stands for 6 students, so we have to take those 9 and multiply that times 6. So what is 9 times 6? Now, if you remembered your 9's trick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your 9's trick, you would know you'd count the second digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put that finger down. This will tell you how many 10s are in the answer. This tells you how many 1s. So 9 times 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. 54. So 9 times 6 is 54. And llamas. Llamas, you have 1, 2, 3 hands up. 3 hands times 6. Didn't do a lot of counting by 6s, but you do know how to count by 3s. So you count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 kids voted for llamas. But we're not done yet, are we? You have to find out how many more voted for pigs than llamas, so you have to subtract 54, take away 18. It's taking up a lot of space, so I'm going to erase this here. 54, take away 18. Here we go. 54, take away 18. And take a look, start in the ones place. 4, take away 8. Can you subtract 4, take away 8 and still have a whole number as your answer? Absolutely not. So you need to regroup. So you regroup, going over to the tens place. Take a 10 away from that 5, makes it a 4. Bring it over to your 4 here, and you have 14, take away 8. 14, take away 8. Let's count backwards. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 14, take away 8 is 6. And 4, take away 1 is 3. How many more students voted for pigs than llamas? Your answer is 36. Fabulous. Now that took 1, 2, 3 steps to solve. Fabulous job. Number 6. How many fewer students chose goats than pigs? How many fewer chose goats than pigs? We're still comparing two, so we're still going to be subtracting. Good. So let's see. How many fewer chose goats than pigs? Let's see, pigs didn't change, did it? We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hand symbols for pigs times each hand stands for 6. Do we remember what 9 times 6 is? From problem number 5. If you do, write it down. If you don't, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put this finger down. 9 times 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 54. 54 is not what 9 times 6 is. 54. And let's see. Goats. Goats, goats, goats. Goats are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 votes for goats times 6 students each hand stands for. 6 times 6 is 6 times 6, 6 times 6. Do you remember? If you don't remember, then think of a problem that you know that's close to 6 times 6. Try 6 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If 6 times 5 is 30, then to get to 6 times 6, you just need 6 more. So 30 plus 6 is going to give you 36. 36. Now what do we have to do with these numbers to find out how many fewer chose goats than pigs? Do we add them or subtract them? Oh, that's right. You know we subtract them. 54, take away 36. See, can we subtract 4, take away 6, and get a whole number? Absolutely not. So we have to regroup. Let's go over to the tens place. Now we have 14 take away 6, which we had already figured out before is 8. And 4 take away 3 is 1. So your answer is 18. 18 fewer students chose goats than pigs. Here we go. Next one. Number 7. I think. Come on. Number 7. How many votes did goats and rabbits get all together? How many votes did goats and rabbits get all together? Okay, so you have to understand the question first. They're asking all together. So are we adding or subtracting? How many votes did goats and rabbits get all together? You want to find all together, you're going to add. So let's find out. Goats and rabbits, goats and rabbits. Goats had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you remember, 6 times 6 is 36. Rabbits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's an easy one. 6 times 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many did they get all together? We're going to add 36 plus 60. Yeah, let me see. I'll do it over here. 36 plus 60. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. How many votes did they get all together? 96 votes. Perfect. The addition ones, I think, are a little easier. Next one. How many more students chose rabbits than llamas? How many more chose rabbits than llamas? Go to my other computer over here so I can see the graph. Okay, how many more chose rabbits than llamas? So let's find out. Wait, are we adding or subtracting? How many more chose rabbits than llamas? We're comparing to find out how many more chose rabbits then llamas. So you're going to be subtracting, exactly. So rabbits, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 votes, 10 symbols for rabbits times 6 for each symbol is 60. I already figured that out. Llamas, we had 1, 2, 3 times each symbols were 6 equals 18. To find how many more chose the rabbits than the llamas, we have to subtract. 60 take away 18. 60 take away 18. Can you have 0, nothing, and take 8 away from it and still get a whole number? Nope. So you have to borrow from the tens place. Let's see. Let's borrow from the tens place. The 6 tens goes down to 5 tens, and our 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 8 is 2. 5 take away 1 is 4. How many more students chose rabbits than llamas? That would be 42. Beautiful. Last one on this page. Let me get a little trickier. And I kind of like this question a bit. It says, make your own statement about the data in the picture graph and show how it's true. So you can say anything that's true about the data up here. So you can say there are, let me see. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 60. This was 18. This was 54. And there was 36. So we have, let me write that a little neater. A whole lot neater, but it's a little neater. So you could say that the total number of rabbits and llamas that the students chose as their favorite was, and then you could add it up. Or you could say pigs had 54 votes. Pigs got 6 less votes than rabbits. Or you could say goats got twice as many votes as llamas. So whatever it is that you come up with, as long as it's true, you can write it in. Okay, and that is the last page for week 7, I believe. Now all you have to do is 15 problems on a multiplication page, which I will have for you next.